welcome back at the Not Just Sawdust workshop. Last video I completed the little 3-string guitar. There's a few little things to do on it, but you could say it's finished. But of course it needs to have a case too. And that's what we're gonna try to make in this video. And then at the end of it we're going into some little details and fine-tunings and complete this project. So let's get on with it. Get rid of this sawdust first. If you are reusing old dishwashers, there are these little pens in there, these little crates, and they're ideal to put tools in, so you don't even have to, do anything to them, just take them out and use them. It's great. Something. We talked about it last week. You should always be careful. the lid is ready, and there's a reason why you didn't see much footage of it, me doing it, because believe me, that wasn't suitable for YouTube, and got a bit frustrated, but it works. It's nice and soft and it fits. So I don't know if I'm gonna paint this black or not, because this is canvas and it's like security canvas or something, so it's should glow up when it's dark, so maybe it's a good feature to have on that, so nobody runs over it when you're, you know. But now we have to do the inside. A long way to go. Let's see how we do that. So let's first talk about the case. It turned out really well. Front and back made out of the steel from the old dishwasher. The upholstery is from an old t-shirt on the inside. The outside is an old corduroy jeans I had, and turned out well. Of course there's triple chaos inside, and the hinges were made out of the same band as on the side, and it's like reflective canvas, and I just used little hooks that I used in my former job as a frame maker, and they're called sawtooth hooks. You put them on the back of your paintings to hang them on the wall, and they turned out to be the right things to make these hinges, and it works absolutely fine. The close as well, and these I still have laying around, so I didn't buy them or anything. The handle was still there, it's just an old little draw handle, and of course on the back there's made in Portugal. Well, it is. So that's about the case. It was hard to make, and I wouldn't do it the same again. That's why I came up with another solution, but that's for a next video, and it's only because today actually I ran into something that made that possible, but that's for later. So let's talk about the details on the guitar now. The alterations I made is that I had this strange sound in it every now and then, and turned out it wasn't the frets that were not right or the bridge that was wrong, but turned out I had the pickup too high, so I had to put it a bit down. And now when you strum the strings, the vibration of them doesn't come too close to the pickup, and now you can do that without getting strange sounds out of it. For the rest, yeah, I'll just adjust a bit the knot and the bridge so that everything's in the right height, and now it's fine. And now you can actually, well, play something on it. It works. As for the bridge cover, I used an old door handle or drawer handle, which fitted right over it, so I think that looks nice, and it even has the shape of your wrist. So, but to put the, to mute the strings a bit, it's well, you have to put your hand a bit forward, but you got room enough, so that works. Just don't put it too loud, but, well, maybe a bit. Enough of that. Well, so you see it works. It works. Well, put my amp down. It works on my amp. Works fine. It stays in tune. Well, for new strings and for a homemade, shop-made, dirty little guitar, it stays apart. It stays together. Doesn't fall apart. Everything works. Fits in the case very nice. And I think I'm happy with it. So, I can only say, do some woodworking, nice way to spend your time. Get into your workshop, find some old stuff and recycle it, you know, make something new out of the trash. That's a very good way to spend your time. And I'll see you all in the next video, and I will probably put up a like kind of a midweek video, because I found this thing, let's say, that it's going to make it easier for me to make a case like that in the future. And but that's going to be some kind of a shop talk, I guess. So see you all at the logo. Let's make some noise.